In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make trend lines straight by default in TradingView. Let's begin by opening TradingView Supercharts. Head over to your browser and navigate to tradingview.com/chart with the symbol set to NASDAQ AAPL. This will load the Apple stock chart directly inside the Supercharts interface. If TradingView prompts you to sign in, go ahead and sign in using your free account. Once you're signed in, return to the same chart URL so you land back on the Apple chart you were just viewing. Now take a moment to confirm that the AAPL chart is clearly visible in the center of the screen. You should also see the drawing toolbar running along the left side of the chart. This toolbar is where all of your drawing tools live, so make sure it's showing before moving on. Next, we're going to switch the active trend tool over to the horizontal line. Look at the left drawing toolbar and find the Trend Tools option, which sits right next to Trendline. Click on Trend Tools to open the menu of available drawing instruments. Inside the panel that opens, scroll down to the Line section. From there, click on Horizontal Line. This sets your active drawing tool to a perfectly straight horizontal line. Confirm that the chart cursor is now ready to place a horizontal line. You'll notice the cursor has changed, indicating you're in drawing mode. Now we want to make sure this stays as the default behavior. In the left drawing toolbar, click on Keep Drawing. Turning this on tells TradingView to keep your selected tool active even after you finish drawing a line. Move your cursor over to the price level you want to mark on the chart. Take your time to position it exactly where you want the line to appear. Once you're happy with the placement, click once on the chart. Confirm that the new line runs straight across the full width of the chart at that price level. Now move your cursor to another price level and confirm that TradingView is still ready to place another horizontal line. Because Keep Drawing is active, additional chart clicks will keep placing straight horizontal lines instead of returning to the regular cursor after just one line. The chart now has a perfectly horizontal line at the selected price level, and the tool is locked in for repeated use. Congratulations!